Hello, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Chen Gilerona. You can call me Chen for short. I'm 34 years old, blessed with one child, age 13 years old. My height is 150 centimeter and my weight is 50 kilograms. I am college graduate, took up Bachelor of Science in Secondary Education, major in Biological Science. I have working experience in the Philippines for 8 years, 5 years for helper, and 3 years as a teacher. I can take care of baby, kids, pets, cleaning, ironing, and cooking Filipino foods. I am willing to learn how to cook Chinese food and I can follow recipe given by my employer. I can help your kids with their simple homework. Please hire me as your helper. I am honest, kind, and easy to follow instructions. Thank you and God bless.